Is your TCL TV lagging, freezing, or stuck on a loading screen? Don't panic, because we are going to wipe the slate clean and get it running like new right now. Welcome back to Tech Vibes. A factory reset is usually necessary when the internal memory gets cluttered or a system update didn't install correctly, causing the software to hang. Let's dive into 10 advanced ways to reset and optimize your TCL TV hardware. Step 1. The soft restart. Hold the power button on your remote for 5 seconds until a restart menu appears on the screen. This clears the RAM without deleting any of your apps or settings. Step 2. The classic menu reset. Press the home button on your remote. Navigate to Settings, then System, then About, then Reset, and select Factory Data Reset. Step 3. The PIN code bypass. If the TV asks for a password during the reset process, try the default codes. These are usually 0000 or 1234. Step 4. The Erase Everything confirmation. When the TV asks to confirm the reset, always select Erase Everything to ensure all hidden partitions and system caches are fully cleared. Step 5. The hardware reset button for Roku models. Locate the small pinhole button on the back or side of your TV. While the TV is powered on, use a paper clip to hold it down for 20 seconds until the TV restarts. Step 6. The one-button forced reset for Google TV models. Unplug the TV from the wall, hold the physical power button on the TV frame while plugging the cord back in. Release it only when you see the TCL logo flash. Step 7. The cold boot method. Unplug the TV and leave it disconnected for a full 2 minutes. Hold the physical power button on the TV for 30 seconds to drain the capacitors, then plug it back in. Step 8. Clear the system app data. If you don't want a full reset, go to Apps, then See All Apps and find System Apps. Clear the data for the home screen app to fix instant lag. Step 9. Reset the network stack. If your 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi is unstable, go to Network Settings and forget your network. Restart your router and then reconnect to establish a fresh hardware handshake. Step 10. The USB firmware recovery. If your TV is stuck in a boot loop, download the official firmware from the TCL support site onto a FAT32 drive. Plug it into the USB port, and the TV will often auto-repair the OS during the power-on cycle. Here's a pro tip for you. Before you perform a full reset, take a quick photo of your picture and sound settings with your phone. This makes it much easier to get your preferred look back once the TV is fresh and clean. If you face any difficulty with these steps, drop a comment below. I will personally reply to your questions within 1 hour to help you out. If this fixed your TV, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Tech Vibes. You are all set, and your TCL TV is ready for your next movie night.